Okay, so harmony with inversions. First I'm going to do a chord, which is going to be an F major. And because it's F major, in the key of F major, it's a tonic, so I'm going to put a 1 down here. Now, sometimes next to these notes there's some numbers, and these are referring to the distance from the root note, which is the F here, to the next note. So that is a 1, 2, 3, and the root note to the top note, so it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they sometimes write this in 5, 3, like this. Now I'm going to do another F chord, but this time a first inversion. So I take the F from here and I put the F up on the top like that. So it would be up here. Now this is still a 1 chord, so I put 1. But the root note's changed. The root note now an A, and the interval numbers have changed. So you look at this. So this is 1, 2, 3. So I've got my 3 here. But the top one is now a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a 6-3 chord. And I'll do the last inversion, different colour. And we go like this. Put the C, then the F, and then the A. This is still a 1 chord. And now we count the interval in. So now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Put 4 there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 6-4. So we have another number of names for this. We have the root position, first inversion, second inversion. Or we have a 1, which is 5-3. 1-6-3, which is the first inversion, 1-6-4. Now, often what you get as well is that sometimes these numbers are abbreviated. So, for example, when it's in root position, you don't have either the 5 or 3. When it's in first inversion, you just have a 6. And when it's in second inversion, you have the 6-4. To add some complication to this, sometimes you don't get these notes in the same octave. For example, this one here might look like this. This root position one could look like this. Now that chord's in a root position because F, the root note, is on the bottom. So it's still a 1-5-3. You could also get this chord looking like this. And we'll have a C way up here. Well, that's a bit ugly. But this is still a 1-6 chord because A, the root note's on the bottom. And the same thing could happen here, but it would get a little bit much. It'll look more like this. Have a C down the bottom. And then what's that? We got an A and then an F up here. And that would still be a 6-4 chord because the C is the root note. And it would be 4th to the F and 6th to the A.